food here? Should be, right? It's very hard to find chicken here, huh? Not many people have chicken. Yeah. Nobody likes chicken?
No, this is only this.
Yeah.
Chicken.
It's hard to find.
The same, huh?
Yeah, I want the chicken. I'm just saying that here, you're the only one with chicken. Alright. I don't care. I need meat. I need chicken. It's just not... You cannot find it here. Excellent. Thank you. Thanks.
Bye.
Goodbye. So, listen, it's all fried, but it's as close as we're gonna get. At least it's meat. It's not just dough. You could make $1 million if you open up a chicken place here. Or starve to death because nobody's gonna come. I'm absolutely having ice cream for lunch. Or as they call it, gelato, dark chocolate. First of all, it's not spring, it's not summer, but this is a tradition here. And it's also what I can safely eat. Okay. I get it, it's cold. For you. Go ahead. No? Okay. All right, listen, consider this done. Right? This and this. Bye. Was €3. Okay. Listen, very good. Yeah, I mean, right now, very good. You ready? Come on. Let's go down the checklist. All right. Been here. That's where I lost my backpack. Been here. Been here. That's where I hiked today. This is where I'm staying. I accidentally went here. I stayed way too long there. All right. But tomorrow we go here. So here's the deal. I'm lost all day in the city. Don't ask. Trying to get back on the wrong train, waiting. Anyway, so I'm trying to get back, but then I look out the window and I see this sunset. And I originally did set out today because I wanted to fly the drone. So, anyway, let's do this. always good when it comes back. It's always good when it comes back. The train doesn't come until 3 minutes after the hour. While here, this is where I lost and found, recovered the backpack. That's where I just flew the drone. All right, and then over here, yep, that's where it was. That's where it was. My American European electrical charger is down there. Cost $1 euro. Now, let's go catch that train.